All right, yo. So want to do a trade recap again from today. Today I took one trade. It was one winning trade, and that was it for the entire day. So I will show you the charts. Open up TradingView. So it was actually a really simple trading day, I would say. I had the bullish bias. Going into today, we were at all-time highs. And on yes, we weren't on all-time highs, but we were trading towards that, in my opinion. But yeah, NQ, what it did is we already had to run higher. So already looking at NQ on the daily, we were already at all-time highs. And then looking on like a 50-minute chart, eventually we traded lower on Friday. And then Monday, London session and New York session trade higher. But yeah, London session trade higher. And then around London session, we were already again at all-time highs, or just before New York Open. So like 8:30 here, yeah. 8:30 Open, we're already at all-time highs. For me, when we are at all-time highs, like for me, there would be no reason to be looking for lower prices. Just looking at the structure on a bigger time frame, like we're really bullish. For me, there's no reason to be looking for lower prices. You could say, oh, we have a big S&T here at all-time highs, like we should go lower. No, my opinion is just when we are at all-time highs, there's just no reason to be looking for lower prices. So just going to be following the trend, which is bullish, of course. But yeah, what we did. So 9:30 opening. What I have marked out, got a really nice reaction off this. I marked out the vertical line, which is 9:30 open. And then what I had marked out, I didn't really mark out anything for NQ. Just looking at the range where we were. NQ had a gap in here, a singular 30-minute gap from swing low to swing high. I don't know why I didn't mark this out now, because I thought that the choosing maybe could go lower. But we do have a 30-minute busy here where we got a nice reaction off of from swing low to swing high, and then that will be a singular one. So looking on the 50-minute, we have a busy here. 30-minute, we have a singular one, got a nice reaction off this, and then on the S I marked out. So we have a busy here on the 30-minute. Go to the 1 hour, swing low till swing high. 9:30 opening was the swing high was right there or right there. Trade lower into the singular busy. Nice reaction. Just expecting for us to go from internal to external, just higher. And then yeah, 9:30 open. I was looking for bullish prices. We did have news today. We had 9:45 news, so I waited for that. So market open 9:30. 9:45 was right here. Market open. What we did was traded higher. I was trying to get a long in here, but of course there wasn't an entry, so just waiting patiently. And then 10:03 we created a high here, or 10:02, 10:03. Create a high here, drop lower, taking out the sell side here as well, and have a huge S&T with the S, stepping into that singular 1 hour busy. And then what we did here, yeah, taking equal lows, then we have one singular SIBI here in this entire leg. We do have one here as well. This one got it closed fully in, so I see this once this gets fully closed in, then this is a balanced price range, so only the first one, that would already be that would be an entry, and then I'm expecting for us to trade through all of this because this is all balanced. And then this was my entry, and then my stop was at the low, and then my break-even trade, or the break-even, would be right here. So once this got hit, I would have my stop at break-even, which I did, of course. Stop was a break-even here, never came back to the entry. Like, these are the best trades to be in. And then first TP was a 1 and 2 fixed, so right there. So we hit that nice TP pretty quick, I would say. Still inside of that AM session kill zone still. And then my full TP was a 1 to 5. We are at all-time high, so we don't have any targets. So what I do is I found for my back testing, okay, what do I do in these situations? And I found, like, okay, just take a fixed RR target. So a 1 to RR for my first TP, 75% off there, and then let it run to a 1 to 5. Like, I'm expecting us to trade higher. There's no reason to be looking for lower prices, and that's exactly what we did again today. So 1 to 5 was full TP. I'm expecting that. Not expecting that to get it, but either that gets hit or I'm at break even. So I was in with 4 contracts, 4 micros. I took 3 micros off here, then my 1 micro, I let it run, and till the 1 of 5. Eventually it didn't get hit. Did it get hit? It did get hit eventually, but I closed the full position at 1508, which I normally do. That's outside my kill zone, which is right there. So I closed it fully there, which was just not that 105. I think it was literally like one tick off. If I can extend it till the up there, that's 1508, and the RR on this 4.99. Yeah, that didn't get hit, but yeah, I closed it at like the candle closure of 1507. Opening 1508, that was right here, so I took it off right there at a 4.77 RR full TP. Yeah, that was the trade. I was in this, so I always send in my like, I want to have it like every loss, every win taken, every trade that I take, I want to have it in here. Like, I don't want to show, because that's, I think, the problem with the entire trading industry. Like, I've had problems with that as well, where I would just be having a loss on a day, and then I see everyone winning, and I see like or I'm thinking like, what am I doing wrong? But you're only seeing the winners online, of course, which I didn't realize by the time. But it just like, it made me like, I got so frustrated because of that. And I think many people have that, and maybe many people don't even know. But yeah, you only see the winners really online, and I just want to post every single trade I take, break-even trades, winner trade, losing trade, just before it even before I even entered, or like when I entered. But yeah, I said, yeah, I entered in this, I'm in here, and then this is where I would be break even. Here, same thing on a yes. You can see the entry bar was shown on top sub X. And then that first target was hit, the 102, 75% off there. And then bang, indeed, full position closed at 1508 for 0.77 RR. Really nice trade. Going to top sub X. Totally on this trade, I made on the account $783, so really nice trade there. One micro runner, like normally it would be even more, because normally I would take 75% off and then let like the other contract run, but because I only have like a 50k account, I would be only risking, or I'll be in with 4 contracts, and that would be risking what I want to risk. Like, more than that, and I'll be over risking, so I don't want to do that. But yeah, I took 3 contracts off at that first EP at the 1 and 2, but of course 3/4 is what that's exactly 75%. No, it would be exactly, this is exactly what I would get out of such a trade. If it is like a max expansion with having fixed EP, this is the max I'll get, like yeah, 750, 800 around there. That's the max that I can get, and this is so far really nice. So took 2 losses on that Friday from last week. It was actually from Thursday, yeah. And then now on Monday, I'm expecting for this week to be a good week. Oh wow, I just remembered I have to make a trade recap and or weekly review and weekly recap video, which I didn't do. I just realized this. Yeah, I'm expecting for this week to be a good trading week, and so far this Monday would be good. We're around the break-even point again on the account. Tomorrow could be 2 losses again, who knows, but doing this for long term, no hurries, no rush, just trading this normal, following every rule. Still to this day, every trade taken on this account is followed by all the rules, so yeah. So far it looks good, but yeah, it was the trade recap. Thank you for watching, and see you.